Okay, so that's about how much garlic I need. I would say, probably like 3/4 of it. Oops, let this over boil. When this comes to a boil, I kind of let it simmer for a bit. You could always buy minced garlic. Just so, oops, let me turn on this light so you can see a little bit better. You could always get pre-diced or what's it called? Minced garlic. I like doing this, not sure why. It takes me longer, but I don't really care. And at the same time, you don't have to do it absolutely minced. I know some people like it to have like a little bit of chunks. Yeah, just kind of go through it like this. And I'm no professional chef or nothing. I just kind of like to daddle with things and try different flavors, even though they might not mix for other people. Like sometimes I'll have a flavor in my head that I want to taste, and I'll just start mixing ingredients and see if I could get any close. After a couple tries, if I can't get it, I'll try to search it online, like a homemade whatever sauce. But yeah, so we're gonna put these to here. So we're gonna add some different spices in these guys. So some of it's gonna be for the asparagus, some of it's gonna be for the fish. And the cool thing about this butcher knife, it's kind of like a spoon or a carrying thing. So anyways, so that's it with the garlic. So I'm gonna start prepping the foil and stuff for the things going into the oven.